think you need a fancy restaurant to get the perfect chorizo? Think again. Today, I'm revealing a secret trick to make the most flavorful chorizo at home in under 10 minutes. Let's go! Legend has it, there was once a chorizo recipe so perfect that it vanished along with its creator. In a small Spanish village, Don Santiago, a master butcher, made chorizo so rich and flavorful that rival butchers grew jealous. One night, they broke into his shop to steal his secret recipe. But when they opened his notebook, all they found was a single sentence. The secret is not in the spices, it's in the process. No one ever saw Santiago again. His shop closed, and his legendary chorizo disappeared forever. Or did it? Because today, I'm about to show you a recipe so good, it might just be the closest thing to his lost secret. Let's cook! And there you have it, the secret to making the perfect chorizo at home. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Oh, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to eat chorizo. Let's talk food.